Hey friends! Do you want to speak English like it's part of your everyday life? In this video, we bring you real conversations, real situations, and real phrases you can use right away. So listen closely, repeat after us, and by the end, you'll sound more natural than ever. Hi!
Hello. Welcome to our salon.
Thanks. I'd like a trim and some layers, please.
Absolutely. How much length would you like off?
Just about an inch. Not too much.
Got it. And soft layers.
Yes, soft layers, especially around the face.
Great, let's get started.
Sounds good.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, thank you.
What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher.
That's amazing. What grade?
Fifth grade.
Oh, that must be fun.
It can be, but also challenging.
I can imagine.
Do you enjoy cutting hair?
Yes, I love making people feel great.
That's nice to hear.
So, how are you liking it so far?
It feels fine, but I'll wait to see.
Of course.
Are you almost done?
Yes, just doing the final touch now.
Okay.
All done. What do you think?
Mm,
Is everything okay?
honestly, I'm not happy with the result.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's shorter than I asked.
I thought you said an inch?
Yes, but it looks like 3 inches are gone.
I see. I might have misunderstood.
And the layers are too sharp.
I'm really sorry.
I was hoping for a more blended look.
I truly apologize.
Can it be fixed?
I can try to soften the layers.
Will it make it even shorter?
Possibly a little bit.
I don't want it any shorter.
I understand.
This is frustrating.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to upset you.
I know, but I was very clear.
Yes, you were.
What can we do now?
I can offer you a free conditioning treatment next time.
That's kind of you, but I'm still upset.
I completely understand.
Maybe next time I'll show a photo.
That would help a lot.
I just wish it looked the way I imagined.
I know. I truly feel bad.
Thank you for acknowledging that.
I'll make a note of your preferences for next time.
That's a good idea.
Again, I'm really sorry.
It's okay. I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you for being understanding.
I guess I'll tie it up for a few weeks.
Hopefully it grows quickly.
I hope so too.
If there's anything else I can do, just ask.
I will. Thanks for your time.
You're welcome. Have a better day ahead.
I'll try. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
Hi there, welcome in.
Hey, thanks.
What can I do for you today?
Just a regular trim, please.
You got it. Same style as last time.
Yes, nothing fancy.
Alright, let's get started.
How's your day been?
Pretty busy, but good. How about you?
Pretty good. Just finished work and thought I'd stop by.
Nice. What do you do for work?
I work in IT support.
Oh, tech stuff.
Yeah, mostly fixing issues for employees.
That must keep you busy.
It does, but I enjoy it.
That's great. Any weekend plans?
Not really, probably just relax.
Always a good choice.
Do you work weekends?
Yeah, Saturdays are usually packed.
Makes sense. Everyone gets their hair cut on the weekend.
Exactly.
How long have you been cutting hair?
About 8 years now.
That's a long time.
Yeah, I still love it though.
That's awesome.
You have a cowlick on the right side. Want me to shape around it?
Yes, please. That always sticks up.
Got it. I'll blend it in smoothly.
Thanks.
How short on the sides?
Just clean it up, not too short.
Perfect.
You're really precise.
I try to be.
I can tell.
So, any vacations coming up?
Not yet, maybe later in the year.
Got a dream destination?
I'd love to visit Japan.
Great choice. I've always wanted to go there too.
The culture and food look amazing.
Absolutely.
Do you travel much?
Not as much as I'd like, but I try.
Yeah, time off is tough.
Exactly.
This is relaxing, by the way.
I'm glad.
You've got a good vibe in here.
Thanks. I try to keep it chill.
You do a great job.
Appreciate that.
How's the haircut looking?
Looking sharp, just finishing the top.
Cool.
Want me to clean up your beard too?
Sure, that would be great.
Alright, lining it up now.
Feels fresh already.
You're going to look like a new man.
That's the goal.
Almost done.
Awesome.
And there we go.
Wow, that looks great.
Glad you like it.
I really do, thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
I'll definitely be back.
Anytime, man.
Have a good one.
You too. Take care.
Thank you for learning with us. Consistent practice leads to real improvement. Continue engaging with English daily, and your confidence will grow naturally. See you next time.